Want to know how to make the best Italian meatballs? Soak Italian bread in white milk. Chop fresh parsley. The key to the meatball. Add 2 eggs. Mix the soggy bread and eggs. Add your chop. Add a handful of pecorino romano. Handful of onion powder. Handful of garlic powder. Handful of salt. Handful of pepper. Mix it all up. Combine a pound of meat and a pound of Italian sweet sausage. Get your hands in there and bind it together. Combine all ingredients. Get it to this consistency. Start making your meatballs. And voila! Heat your pan. Hot pan, cold oil. Add canola oil. Add meatballs clockwise. Flip the meatball away from you and brown on all sides.
Mamma mia!